learn some colors and alphabets. Let's start. Pink color, violet color, blue color, green color, brown color, light blue color, black color, red color, dark green color, orange color, yellow color. A for aeroplane. B for broccoli. C for carrot. D for dinosaur. E for elephant. F for fun. Z for grapes. H for helicopter, violet color. I for ink. Z for joker. K for king. L for lion, violet color. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for question. R for rabbit. S for sunflower. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y means yak. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. हेलो गाइस, आज हम लर्न करेंगे नंबर्स विद डिफरेंट टू कलर्स, ब्लैक एंड रेड कलर. लेट्स स्टार्ट. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 5, number 6, Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10.